We then looked at the physical information that they had. They had a lot of SharePoint sites, a lot of SharePoint farms, SharePoint 2007, SharePoint 2010, and SharePoint 2013, and they had a massive number of file shares. We used the AvePoint toolset to do the discovery and analysis of that corpus of information, and we enhanced that toolset by laying our own tools on top of it, which allowed us to do more detailed reporting. It also allowed us to do automated scheduling, which I'll talk about in a second. When we were doing the assessment of the environment as opposed to the corpus, we discovered that a lot of these farms were running mission-critical applications, and they were running very, very close to capacity in terms of CPU, etc. We also discovered that some of this stuff was very, very old. So as part of the assessment and installation, we actually laid a migration farm between the physical environment and the target environment, which allowed us to move the data and manipulate it before we actually migrated it up to 365. Because we were moving a very large amount of information over a relatively short period of time, we worked very closely with the Active Directory guys to make sure that the identity management was correct and the security was correct. We worked very closely with the Exchange people because they were migrating at the same time as us, so we had to make sure that we understood the profile of the information that we were moving, and we worked with a network team to make sure that we could actually move all of this information at the same time.